June 24th. Snow. Hey kids, welcome back. We are on Highway 40, heading to, well, basically back to Kananaskis, back to the Trans-Canada Highway. Like I said, this is Highway 40, also known as the Highwood Pass. This is the highest paved road in Canada. It's absolutely stunning. We've got a cloudy day. What I'm hoping for today is just like that mountain back there has got clouds kind of rolling through it. That's the kind of photography we're hoping to do today. Moody mountain, rainy, misty shots. We'll see what happens. Probably turn into black and white. Don't really have a plan, don't really have a location. So we're gonna kill two birds with one stone tonight. We're hopefully gonna get that. But we're also looking to scout locations, look for sites that we can use for sunrise and sunset. So let's just get in the car, go for a drive, and see what we get. By the way, I'm not in the Falcon today. The Falcon's broken. Should get it back soon, but this is a rental. It's not a bad little car actually, but I miss the Falcon. Come along. So a couple of things I have to prepare for is, number one, we are in bear country. Kananaskis is, I think, by far way more bear active than Banff. Especially this time of year, we're end of June, so I've got my bear spray. One thing I do have is a longer lens on, because of the possibility of seeing critters is pretty high tonight. Hopefully we'll see something. If I do, we'll pull over where it's safe to pull over. There's certain chunks of Highway 40 that they have signs up to not stop and photograph the animals, just because it's not good with the amount of traffic that they have. Lastly, also, I did have the Mini Falcon drone with me, but it's a little windy here. I could have filmed some stuff here, but as I cross over into the provincial park area, like Peter Lougheed Provincial Park, can't fly a drone, so drone's out of the question. Don't fly a drone in provincial parks or federal parks. Please give us drone users a bad name when you do that. Okay, come with me, I want to show you something. I haven't been driving too long. Little service rest area. There you go. June 24th. Snow. So one of the things I'm discovering as I'm driving the Highwood Pass is the cloud cover isn't as low as I thought it was going to be. I should have been out here earlier during the day, but had to work, had other plans, had life take over. Sometimes that's the way it is when you're a photographer and you have a second career as a photographer, not a full-time career. When it was raining, that would have been the time to come out just after the rain kind of broke up. I'm still hoping for some cloud breakup to punch through, get some good light textures on some of these ridges, but I just got to show you what's ahead of me. Check this out. I'm pulled over on the side of the road. I'm not driving, so check this out. I had to pull over just to take this view in. There's not a photo here, but just look at this thing. Damn, that's nice. So I'm just going to sit here and watch this mountain for just a few minutes and see what happens here. I like the peak of that mountain catching some light. So we're just going to see what happens here. Hopefully we'll get some light. Okay, I'm going to leave the dash mount on for this photo, but you can look at the mountain straight ahead of me and see that the very peak is starting to get some light. So I'm just going to pop out and pop this shot. We're going to go ISO 100, and I'll pop out and see if I can get this while that light is still on that peak. Stand in front of the car so you guys can see me. All right, so the peak of the mountain is just catching some light. I got the 200 on. There's a nice cloud coming in there. ISO's 100, shutter speeds 250, f8. We're just going to pop away here. Just a nice little texture shot. Actually, that's kind of nice. I actually like that a lot. The color in that. The light in that, it's really nice light because it's getting cross-section light there. That cloud is lighting up as well. Let this car go by. We're losing the light now. So I'm losing the light because of the clouds, but that's not too bad there. The vertical one I think is going to be the better one out of the bunch there, but it's actually not a bad shot. We're hoping to get I'm hoping the light will come back, but we'll see. Let's chimp at the back of the camera and see. Yeah, that's not so bad. I like it. I don't think it's going to come back, so let's keep driving. Well, a couple hours worth of driving and I got skunked. One shot maybe. I'm at Wedge Pond right now and I'm just going to show you Wedge Pond. for a scouting location, I think it's going to be a good sunrise location. So check this out. I've been here a few times in the winter, but in the summer, I think it would be a good sunrise location. Let's go down over here. Don't break my neck. It is pretty spectacular. And in the fall, all of these trees light up. I mean, there's a nice reflection here right now, but there is absolutely no light. So there's no shot here at all. But this would be a great shot right here. Actually, that isn't a bad shot, is it? Whew. Too bad my camera's way back up in the car. By the time I get up there and come back, this light will be gone. Sometimes you just get skunked. Motorbikes. The light's not playing fair. That's Mount Kidd. Everything is lighting up behind me, kind of in that area there, but it's covered by trees. And when you do get a good view of it, you're on the side of the road on the highway, and there's no real great foreground, no great shots. Tonight was basically about just getting out and location scouting. Sometimes photography can be frustrating, but I'm glad I still went out. The Highwood Pass never disappoints. I love driving that road. It was a great way to spend an evening. I'm still going to drive it a few more times. Keep pulling off and looking at turnouts. That's what I did today. I didn't put it on camera, but there's a few spots there along the road that I think will be great sunrise, sunsets locations. Same as Wedge Pond, where I'm at right now. I think Wedge Pond is a perfect sunrise location, but it's going to be a sunrise location in the fall. That's when the trees start turning. There's some larch trees there, but I think it's time to head home. In the meantime and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. Catch you next time, guys.
The light was perfect for this shot. You can even see the tiny weather station on the top of the mountain. Do you like it in color or black and white? Also, remember when I said the vertical would have been the shot? Look at that. That is a tasty shot. And as always, guys, please rock the subscribe button and ring the bells for notifications. We'll check you next time.